Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix smartphones or tablets with cracked or unresponsive screens, often due to drops or pressure. Important notes before starting. This repair voids most warranties unless done by authorized technicians. Use proper tools and anti-static precautions. ESD strap, clean surface. Back up your data if the device is still usable. This guide assumes you're replacing the entire screen assembly, LCD plus digitizer. Tools and materials needed. Replacement screen, make sure it's the right model. Heat gun or hair dryer. Plastic prying tools, spudger. Phillips or Pentalobe screwdriver, model dependent. Tweezers, suction cup tool. Isopropyl alcohol, optional for cleaning. Double-sided adhesive or adhesive strips if needed. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Power off the device. Hold the power button and completely turn off the device to avoid short circuits or damage. Step 2. Remove the SIM card tray. Use a SIM ejector tool or pin to remove the tray. This prevents damage during disassembly. Step 3. Unscrew the bottom screws. Typically, smartphones like iPhones or some Androids have 2 screws near the charging port. Use the proper screwdriver, for example, Pentalobe for iPhones, Phillips for most Androids. Step 4. Soften the adhesive. Use a heat gun or hair dryer to gently heat the edges of the screen. Heat for about 1-2 minutes to soften the adhesive under the screen. Step 5. Pry open the screen. Use a suction cup near the edge of the screen to lift it slightly. Insert a plastic spudger or guitar pick between the frame and the screen. Gently slide it around to separate the screen. Take care around the flex cables near the top or bottom. Step 6. Disconnect battery first, if accessible. Once inside, unscrew the battery connector shield. Use a plastic tool to disconnect the battery cable. Step 7. Disconnect the display cables. Locate and unscrew the metal shield protecting the screen connectors. Carefully detach the digitizer, LCD, and front sensor cables. Use tweezers or spudger. Step 8. Remove the broken screen. Take out the damaged screen completely. If it's shattered, remove loose glass shards carefully with tweezers. Clean the surface with isopropyl alcohol if necessary. Step 9. Transfer components if needed. If your new screen doesn't include parts like earpiece speaker, proximity sensor, home button, or fingerprint scanner, you'll need to transfer these from the old screen to the new one. Step 10. Connect the new screen. Attach the new screen's cables, LCD, digitizer, and so on. Reconnect the battery last after everything else is in place. Step 11. Test before sealing. Power on the device before sealing it completely. Test. Touch responsiveness, display colors, front camera and sensors, home button or fingerprint if applicable. Step 12. Final assembly. Power off the device again. Apply new adhesive if needed. Carefully press the screen into place. Reinstall screws and SIM tray. Done. You've successfully replaced a cracked or unresponsive screen on a smartphone or tablet. Tips. Always use high-quality replacement parts. Work slowly and carefully. Screens and connectors are delicate. For iPhones, home buttons with Touch ID won't work if not transferred from the original. For tablets, extra patience is needed due to larger adhesive surfaces. Would you like a version of this tutorial tailored for a specific device, like iPhone 11 or Samsung Galaxy Tab?